Hello, am I audible?
Audible?
Okay, good evening, all my students. How are you? Hello, good evening, everyone. Okay, my name is Heena Malhotra, your mathematics educator. Today we are going to start triangle chapter. Earlier we already had taken that triangles का हमने introduction किया था. We have studied what is triangle, what is the meaning of congruent triangles क्या होते हैं, what are the conditions for congruent triangles. So basically we have studied about SSS, that is triple S, then SAS के बारे में हमने पढ़ लिया था. मैं आपकी ये सारी चीज़ें मेंशन कर देती हूँ so that we can continue with the further topic. And if anybody who has missed the last class, kindly see the previous session so that आप आज का टॉपिक कंटिन्यूशन में देख पाए. अदरवाइज आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगी कि मैम ये वाले कौन से टॉपिक्स हैं, राइट. सो वी हैड done that. First is SSS. SS is the triple S is the condition so that we can prove two triangles are congruent by side. ठीक है, ये हमारी फर्स्ट कंडीशन थी. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज SAS. SAS means side angle side. Angle should be between two sides. Next is third one is ASA, angle side angle, right? This was the third condition, so it means side should be between two angles. The fourth one was AAS. Double AS means, for example, I am taking a triangle so that it would be clear to all the students. This is your triangle, let it be ABC. Okay, I hope I am visible, है ना? This is your triangle ABC and the next one is your, let it be PQR. This is ABC and this one triangle is PQR. Got it? If I am saying let it be this angle B is equals to angle Q. Got it? Now the next part I am saying angle C. Angle C is equals to angle R, right? If I am talking about AAS, so what does it mean, beta? If you are, just wait. Acha, so many students are there and I thought nowadays, actually I was not opened the live chat, now I have seen. Okay, fine. Adi, Anjali, Ayushi, ma'am, we couldn't hear you first like the intro. Sorry? Can you all hear me? Sorry, I have not read the message. I had not read the message. Now I have opened. Now please tell me, can you all hear me? Am I audible and can you all hear me? Please reply. Okay, fine. Okay. So it means beta angle C is equals to angle R. These two angles are equal. Okay. If I am saying AAS, so it means side after two angles. Yes, है ना? Angle B is equals to angle Q, angle C is equals to angle R, and side after two angles. So it means we can say that this side is equals to this side. Clear? Yes or no? Am I clear? Okay, fine. Now, today's topic is RHS. The most important topic today we are going to start, that is RHS. I had told you in the last class that RHS I'll start it today. Okay? So the first part is beta R means, what is R? That is right angle. What is R? That is right angle. This is your right angle. Okay? Now the next part is, if I am talking about H is your hypotenuse. H is your hypotenuse. And now the third one is side. The third one is side. Now I am making two right triangles. Two right triangles. This is the first one. First right triangle. Okay? And here I am making the next one. These are the two right triangles. First I am taking A, B, C, and this is your P, Q, and this is R. ठीक है. So beta, you all know where is right triangle? At angle B and angle Q, है ना? These are the two right triangles. So it means angle B पे 90 degree and angle Q is also 90 degree. Clear? यहाँ तक clear हुआ? If I am saying right angle, so first condition satisfy, yes, we should be having right angle, then we can say that RHS will be applicable. But first condition is R, second condition is hypotenuse. So what is hypotenuse? It means in this part we can say that AC. AC is the hypotenuse in the first triangle, and in this triangle PR is the hypotenuse. So beta, there is a very important rule for the hypotenuse that you should remember, that right angle के opposite वाली side is your hypotenuse. If I am saying hypotenuse, so it means it is always opposite to 90 degree. If I am saying B is 90 degree, मैं अभी आपके लिए बेटा ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स जो है वो इंडिविजुअली है, उसमें आपको जज करना इज वेरी इजी, आप बहुत इजीली बता सकते हो. जब मैं आपको ऐसा कोई कंडीशन दूंगी ना जिसमें आपके पास राइट एंगल होगा और उसमें आपको हाइपोटेन्यूज जज करना है, आप नहीं कर पाएंगे. जैसे अब मैं आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देती हूँ, आप कहोगे यस मैम इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वट एवर यू आर सेइंग. सी मैं आपका ये वाला ट्राइंगल ले रही हूँ, इसी को मैं इस ट्राइंगल को मैंने दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर लिया. ठीक है, आई हैव डिवाइडेड दिस ट्राइंगल इन टू पार्ट्स एंड आई एम टेकिंग ए बी सी. ठीक है, दिस इज योर 90 डिग्री. ठीक है, दिस इज योर 90 डिग्री. yes not first, now we can. अच्छा ठीक है. So it means if this is your 90 degree and I am saying you need to prove these two triangles are congruent. So 90 degree के अगर मैं ये वाली बोल रही हूँ this is your isosceles triangle, so definitely we should observe कि हमारा ये 90 डिग्री है एंड उसके अपोजिट वाला क्या है, हाइपोटेनस. बेटा अगर मैं आपको ये नहीं बताऊंगी 90 के अपोजिट वाला आपको चेक करना है, सो आप कहोगे मैम ये नॉर्मल साइड है. नो, दिस इज नॉट अ नॉर्मल साइड. इफ आई एम टेकिंग ए डी सी ट्राइंगल, ए डी चलो सी ले लेते हैं, ADC. Okay, still we can imagine. Okay, fine. Now I have highlighted. You will say, ma'am, AC is the hypotenuse. Now, if similarly I am saying in triangle ABD, so it means beta AB is your hypotenuse. क्या हुआ? AB is your hypotenuse. यहाँ तक समझ आया या नहीं? Is it clear? That's why I'm focusing on this point कि 90 डिग्री के अपोजिट वाला क्या होगा. दिवाली आज नहीं है, दिवाली कल थी, हो गई दिवाली. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ प्लीज कॉन्सेंट्रेट बेटा. इफ यू वांट टू टॉक टू मी, ओके फाइन, I'll discuss all these things, but please what if I am explaining something, kindly listen the topic. यहाँ तक समझ आया सबको? आदि क्लियर हुआ? आदि, आयुषी, अंजलि, those students who are present, please reply. है ना? If topic is clear, you should write down C. ठीक है? Now it means 90 degree done, hypotenuse done. Now what about the third condition? Third condition is side. Third condition is side. So what does it mean, beta? We are having we are having two sides. One is perpendicular. This is your perpendicular. This is your base. है ना? Now if I am saying that P is equals to, let it be AB is equals to PQ in this triangle. Okay, fine. ठीक है, we can take any of the side. Either we can take perpendicular, either we can take base. But the most important part and the necessary part is right triangle, right angle and hypotenuse. If two conditions are there, side can be any. Either perpendiculars ले सकते हैं, either base ले सकते हैं. It's all up to you. ठीक है? Am I clear? Yes or no? So it means either we can take AB is equals to PQ or BC is equals to QR for this side. I hope this topic is clear. RHS clear हुआ? ठीक है? This is very important. चलो, shall I start the questions? In the last class I didn't start the questions and I explained all the topics, all the theory part, all the congruence rule, conditions, everything I have explained. I guess CPCT, I don't know I had explained or not. कोई बात नहीं, I'll take it in the question. ठीक है? चलो, the first question I am taking now. Just wait. Yes. Yes, beta, listen. Now, P is any point in the angle ABC such that perpendiculars drawn from P on AB and BC are equal. Right? Chalo, sabse pehle we should draw the figure. What they are saying? B is any point on angle ABC. So, it means we should draw one angle, that is A, B and C. Let it be A, B and this is C. P is any point in the angle. So it means let it be here. Okay. Now such that perpendiculars drawn from P. Perpendiculars drawn from P. So मतलब P से draw हो रहा है on AB. First of all I am taking on AB. Here I am taking on BC. Here I am taking on BC. They have given in the question. All of you listen. P on AB and here and BC are equal. So it means whatever we are taking, these two perpendiculars are equal. Let it be any of the point. I am taking D and E. Okay? Let me use blue pen. This is your D and E. Okay? And these two are perpendiculars. So it means this is 90 degree. And this is 90 degree. What we need to prove that BP जो bisect कर रहा है किसको bisect कर रहा है? That is angle ABC. So it means definitely we need to join B and P, है ना? So what we need to prove that ABP is equals to CBP. Bisect का मतलब क्या होता है? That these two basically angle जो है वो bisect means bisects the angle means the line will bisect the angle in two equal parts. The line will bisect the angle in two equal parts. अगर मैं बोलूँ bisects the line segment, so it means the line will bisect the line segment in two equal parts. Every time bisect का मतलब क्या होता है कि आपके दो parts में क्या होता है divide करता है. यहाँ तक clear हुआ सबको? ठीक है, चलो. नाउ द नेक्स्ट, हाउ कैन वी प्रूव? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड राइट डाउन द गिवन पार्ट. गिवन पार्ट में आप क्या, फिगर बना लिया हमने. फिगर के बाद आपका क्या प्रोसीजर चलता है आपका यहाँ पे गिवन आप क्वेश्चन से भी लिखना चाहे तो लिख सकते हैं पी इज एनी पॉइंट इन द एंगल ए बी सी, या सिर्फ ये लिख सकते हैं पी डी इज परपेंडिकुलर ऑन पी डी इज इक्वल्स टू पी ई. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कैन राइट डाउन पी इज एनी पॉइंट, राइट डाउन द फुल लाइन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक यहाँ लिखा, ठीक है. फुल लाइन यू विल राइट डाउन एंड नेक्स्ट लाइन में यू विल से दैट इज, आई ई मीन्स दैट इज करके आप क्या लिखेंगे सबसे पहले कि पी डी इज इक्वल्स टू पी ई. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज पी डी परपेंडिकुलर ऑन ए बी एंड पी ई परपेंडिकुलर ऑन बी सी. यहाँ तक क्लियर हुआ? ठीक है. ये आपको ये सारी चीजें मेंशन करके दिखानी पड़ेगी. नेक्स्ट में हमें क्या करना है, टू प्रूफ. क्या लिखना है? टू प्रूफ. टू प्रूफ क्या होगा आपका? बी पी बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है किसको? एंगल ए बी सी को. तो बी पी बाइसेक्ट्स एंगल ए बी सी. गॉट इट? नाउ हियर इज द प्रूफ पार्ट. प्रूफ में सबसे पहले व्हाट वी कैन राइट डाउन, wherever we are proving the congruency we should write down the triangles. So we can say PB, that is B, in triangle BPD and triangle BPE. ठीक है. These two conditions given. So first of all, can we say that PD is equals to PE? Because it is given in the question. PD is equals to PE. This is given. Okay. Now the next part is PD perpendicular on AB. So can I say that PDB? बेटा most of the students will say मैम angle D is 90 degree. अरे बेटा angle D किसी साइड भी हो सकता है, लेफ्ट साइड भी हो सकता है और राइट साइड भी हो सकता है. Whenever we are having these type of condition, so we should write down the full angle. So it means हम क्या लिखेंगे? Angle PDB is equals to angle PE, which PEP. ठीक है. That is PEP बी, और क्या लिखेंगे रीजन, ईच 90 डिग्री। क्लियर हुआ बेटा, यहां तक क्लियर हुआ, ठीक है। थर्ड कंडीशन क्या लिखेंगे हम, अच्छा थर्ड कंडीशन बता सकते हैं कोई मुझे, जल्दी बताइए थर्ड कंडीशन क्या होगी। थर्ड कंडीशन इज वेरी इजी, यू कैन टेल मी वेरी इजीली। सी तो ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया, फाइन, बट व्हाट वुड बी द थर्ड कंडीशन, टेल मी द थर्ड कंडीशन, व्हाट इज दैट। कॉमन, कैन वी से दैट कॉमन, BP is equals to BP कॉमन, है ना, this is in both the triangles, so it means it is common. Clear? Now we can say that therefore, this is a sign of therefore, triangle BPD is congruent to triangle BPE. Please tell me by which of the congruence rule. I told you one condition that जब आपका 90 डिग्री होगा, you should check hypotenuse is available or not. Now please इसमें बताओ, can we are taking the hypotenuse in this condition, BP is common in triangle, very good, but if we are taking this triangle, this as 90 degree, ठीक है, this is also this as 90 degree, this as 90 degree, and we are taking BP common, है ना, BP common. If we are taking this side as common, and we can say that this is the hypotenuse y opposite to 90 degree. जब भी आपका opposite to 90 degree, that means hypotenuse आ रहा है and 90 degree आ रहा है, first of all you will go for RHS. Most of the students will get confused in SAS, SAS and RHS. I'll tell you the difference between these two terms. RHS और SAS में क्या difference होता है, but first of all you should remember that RHS के लिए हमें 90 डिग्री के opposite side चेक करनी है, जो आपका क्या होता है, hypotenuse. आप कभी भी confuse नहीं होंगे. It's my 100% surety if you are going with this part that if 90 degree, तो 90 degree जहाँ है आप ये देखिए that hypotenuse available है या नहीं, that's it. क्लियर हुआ, ओके फाइन. सो इट मीन्स इसमें हाइपोटेनस है बिकॉज BP इज द हाइपोटेनस एंड वी आर टेकिंग इन दिस कंडीशन, सो इट मीन्स दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट बाय RHS. दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट बाय RHS. क्लियर हुआ यहाँ तक. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, हमें बेसिकली प्रूफ क्या करना है. BP जो है वो बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है, इनफाइनाइट ईयर्स वारंटी, हाँ कह सकते हो, कभी गलत नहीं करेंगे आप, ठीक है. Now BP bisects angle ABC. So beta, if two triangles are congruent, I really don't remember that मैंने ये आपको CPCT बताया था या नहीं बताया था लास्ट क्लास में, but कोई बात नहीं, I can tell you right now. If we are having two triangles that is congruent, तो अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ BPD congruent हो गया BPE के, तो इट मीन्स बचे हुए साइड्स एंड बचे हुए एंगल्स, इट मीन्स कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स एंड कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग, व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग द वर्ड कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग, सो इट मीन्स अच्छा आई कैन टेल यू बाय द सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म, दैट वुड बी मच बेटर. See, I told you that first of all we will go with the sides. BP equal, BP and BP equal, है ना, BP equal. Now the next part I am taking PD and PE, this one, ठीक है, PD and PE. So PD and PE, clear. algebra में तो इंश्योरेंस अच्छा ठीक है. So PD and PE, what is the remaining side, one side is left out, so what is that side, I can use a different pen for that. This one, so it means B and D, it means B and D, and here B and E, so it means both will be equal. BD किसके equal होगा, BE के. Got it? So it means corresponding sides, if two triangles are congruent by any of the three conditions, whatever the angles left out or whatever the sides left out, all are equal by CPCT. And now what is CPCT? CPCT is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding CPCT means PCT. So it means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. ठीक है, please write down properly. Got it? Corresponding parts of one. Now we have done the, मैं आपको दो चीजें इस क्वेश्चन में सिखा रही हूँ. एक तो जो मुझे प्रूफ करना है वो तो मैं लेके आऊंगी, बट मैं आपको ये भी बता रही हूँ इसके अलावा सीपीसीटी किस काम आता है. सीपीसीटी आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग इट फ्रॉम द सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म से निकालना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस पार्ट सो इट मीन्स समथिंग इज मिसिंग. ठीक है. Now I'm coming on angle part. So first of all, if I am going with, just wait, I have written triangle BPD है ना. First of all, angle BPD किसके इक्वल होगा? BPE के. तो I can say that कि this angle is equals to this angle by CPCT. We can say that. ठीक है. One more condition I can take. What is that? जिस फॉर्म में हम लेफ्ट साइड मूव करेंगे उसी फॉर्म में हम राइट साइड भी मूव करते हैं. जैसे अगर मैंने आपको बोला BPD, ओके, इधर भी मैं क्या चेक करूंगी? BPE. इफ आई एम गोइंग विद BDP, फर्स्ट में क्या किया मैंने? B, D and P. I'll move in the same way. BEP. तो इट मीन्स आप देख सकते हैं दोनों क्या है? 90 डिग्री. Yes बेटा, आदि मेरी 5:15 क्लास है. Today I started this YouTube class late because I was not able to get the stream key. That's why I was available from 4:30. But okay, no problem. I'll start at 5:15. Most probably I'll cover the class. ठीक है. I guess 4:45 पे I started the class. No problem. ठीक है. I'll start my next class also. Don't worry. Not an issue. I was not having the stream key. I was just waiting for that. ठीक है. ओके, नाउ आई विल मूव इन द सेम वे. BDP पे मूव किया, BEP पे मूव किया, एंड यू कैन सी इन द अबव कंडीशन कि ये दोनों क्या है हमारे? 90 डिग्री. आप किसी और वे में भी मूव कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. यही है ना? हाँ, ठीक है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज, मैं नेक्स्ट क्या कह रही हूँ बेटा? मुझे बेसिकली क्या प्रूव करना है? DBP. तो इट मीन्स दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल ये भी इक्वल हुआ बाय CPCT. हाय विकास. Clear? So what you can write down? DBP, it implies angle DBP is equals to angle EBP, and the reason is CPCT. Therefore करके you can write down the BP bisects angle ABC जो हमें प्रूफ करना है. ठीक है. Therefore BP bisects angle ABC. This is very important. You need to write down. Clear हुआ? Am I clear? बेटा, those students who are coming and going, please don't leave the class if you want to understand the topic. There is no point that you are coming only for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then you are going. ठीक है. If you want to take the class, just take full, half an hour or 35 minutes, whatever we are providing. ठीक है. हाँ जी. क्लियर. CPCT के बगल में व्हाट? CPCT के लेफ्ट में क्या लिखा? मैंने कुछ नहीं लिखा. CPCT बेटा, आई हैव रिटन ना दैट DBP is equals to EBP and the reason is CPCT. CPCT की फुल फॉर्म क्या है? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. ठीक है. I hope this is clear. Shall I take the next question? Okay, now I can read your comments. If you are having any doubt, please let me know. I'm just taking the last question and I need to start the next topic, next class also. And you all can join me on Unacademy if you want to continue the next class. And today I'll take, I guess, related to intersecting chords wala topic. Okay? So please tell me any problem. Okay, now just read this question. If diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, what they are saying, bisect each other at right angle, what we need to prove? That all sides quadrilateral is a rhombus. What we are saying? That quadrilateral is a rhombus. So what is the meaning of this part beta? Wait करिए, let me open the live chat. हाँ ठीक है बेटा, ये क्वेश्चन टॉपिक फिनिश हो जाएगा. ठीक है. 144 हो क्या आदि? I didn't get your line. अच्छा, listen, if diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, bisect each other का मतलब आपको मैंने लास्ट क्लासेस में भी बताया हुआ है, अनअकैडमी स्पेशल क्लासेस में भी आई हैव टोल्ड यू सो मेनी टाइम्स. Bisect का मतलब it will divide into two equal parts and bisect each other at right angle का मतलब क्या हुआ? It means it would be divided in two equal parts and it will make a 90-degree angle also. What does it mean? See, देखिए. See beta, if this line and this line bisect each other, so it means this one and this one both are equal. And next one, if I am saying, so it means this part and this part, only this one and this one equal. And in yellow mein I can say that this one and this one equal. I hope this is clear. Clear? Okay, fine. So it means bisect each other. तो हो गया. What about 90 degree at right angle? It means all angles would be 90 degree. Okay? I hope this is clear. Figure should be clear to all the students. Now the next part is, if I am saying quadrilateral is a rhombus. Rhombus के लिए already hint is given in the question, but it will not be given in the exam. Rhombus की property is, beta, if you want to continue the full chapter now, so I am taking in the special classes, please be a part of that classes. Okay? Now if I am saying that all sides are equal, so first of all I am just telling you which two triangles I can take and I can prove the congruency. Let it be that is AOD, and here I am taking COD. Okay? These two triangles I am taking. Now the first condition is, this is common. This is common in both the triangles. That is DO. है ना? ये हुआ. That is DO. First condition is, I am not writing given to prove. Please write down in triangle. Everything you have to mention. I had taken in the first question properly. I have written everything. So I am expecting the same in the next question. Okay? If I will write down everything, it will take so much of time. Okay, the first condition I am taking, AO is equals, not AO, sorry, DO. That is, DO is equals to, OD लिखना है या DO लिखना है, it's all up to you. DO is equals to OD. That is reason. Reasons are very important. If you are not writing, teacher will deduct the marks. DO is equals to OD. First condition. After that, this is 90 degree. What is 90 degree? Angle DOA is equals to angle DOC. I told you, whenever we are having the 90 degree angle, we should check the hypotenuse. But hypotenuse के लिए हमारे पास क्या है? That is AD and DC. ये दोनों तो equal है ही नहीं. We need to prove कि sides equal है. So it means RHS so definitely we cannot use. I guess now you can compare the last question and this question. है ना? RHS so we cannot use at anyhow. The next condition we can say कि हमारी कौन सी हो जाएगी? This one, this side is equals to this side. So it means AO is equals to OC, and this is also given in the question. Okay? Or you can write down it's a bisect. That should be much better. You should write down that diagonals bisect each other. Okay? Diagonals bisect each other. You should write down that line. Then we can say that these two triangles are congruent. अगर ये दोनों triangles congruent है तो क्या ये sides भी equal हुई CPCT से? हमें sides के बारे में बात करना है. Similarly, we can do for the further triangles. Further triangles कौन से होंगे? Now you can take this वाला triangle, ठीक है, on this वाला triangle. Similarly, we can prove all side. मतलब अब इसमें ये वाला केस आ जाएगा और ये वाला आ जाएगा. Similarly, we can take this one and this one, then this one and this one. So it means all adjacent sides are equal. All sides are equal. So it means this is a rhombus. Simple. है ना? I hope it is clear to everyone. है ना? चलो. So whatever I have taken the topic, kindly listen it very carefully. If there is any doubt, please do it again. Take the class one more time, and if you are having any problem, you can come in the special classes, be a part of that classes. Kindly see the description box. अगर आपको क्लास बहुत अच्छी लगी है, सब कुछ समझ आया है, like the video, subscribe the channel for more updates, more videos for different subjects. you can come and take the classes. And next part is you can follow my profile and share the video also. Okay, share the video and kindly follow my profile on Unacademy also. Okay, chalo, bye bye, take care, have a nice day. Any other problem, just wait. Take care, bye bye, take care.